Hello guys, hope you all are doing fine. So today I am back again with power packed 5 words to learn to get band 9 in your IELTS essay. Learn these 5 words, use them to get band 9. The beauty of these words are that they can be used in any essay at any time if you use them appropriately. So let's start. The first word is incontrovertible. The meaning of this word is not able to be disputed or denied. This can be used in your introduction pack. The example sentence is, it is incontrovertible that science has had a profound impact on our life. The second word is ubiquitous. Ubiquitous. The meaning is present, appearing, or found everywhere. It is found everywhere. So you can again use it in any part of your essay. Example sentence can be, accidents are ubiquitous due to traffic congestion. That means accidents are found everywhere due to traffic. The third word is ramification, means an unwelcome consequence of an action or event. It can be written in your advantage, disadvantage, or agree, disagree questions. An example sentence of this word is, fast foods have huge ramifications on people's health. That means it has an adverse effect, a negative effect on our health. The fourth word is plausible. That means seeming reasonable or probable. You can use this in advantage, disadvantage. For example, you can say, wearing mask during corona pandemic seems plausible solution. The fifth and final word that I would suggest you to use in your essays anywhere in that paragraphs is volatile. That means keeps changing rapidly for worse. An example sentence of volatile can be, global warming is becoming more volatile. That means global warming is becoming more changing for negative side. Okay? Negative effect when it gives negative. These are the 5 best words that you can use in your essays in any type of essay, whether advantage, disadvantage, or other type. Use these 5 words and get lexical resources to your top level. For many much vocabularies and linkers and phrases for your essays and speaking, do visit our website ieltswinners.net and subscribe to our channel. Happy learning. Bye bye.